Today, we will be going over how to sell your stuff on Facebook using Facebook Marketplace. If you have any trouble following along, please refer to the step-by-step guide located in the description. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Go to www.facebook.com and sign into your Facebook account. Once you have signed into your Facebook account, Facebook should take you to this page. This is called your newsfeed page. Make sure it is selected by clicking the words newsfeed in the orange box. Step 2. Once you have confirmed that you are on the newsfeed page, look to the left of the screen and you will find the word Marketplace. Once you have found it, go ahead and click it. This will bring you to the Marketplace page. Facebook Marketplace is a place where private sellers and dealers go to sell their items in your local area. You can sell items all the way from furniture to cars. Step 3. To begin selling your stuff on Facebook Marketplace, click the button labeled Sell Something. This will cause a couple options to appear. Click the option that relates most to the product you are selling. In this video, I will be clicking the Item for Sale option. Step 4. Once you have selected the category that is most appropriate, a new page will appear. This page will ask you to fill out some basic information about your product. Go ahead and pause the video and fill that out. Step 5. Once you have filled out the basic information, we will have to add pictures before we can move on. For this example, I am pretending to sell a bike. Go ahead and click the option where it says 10 plus photos to add a picture of your product. After you've found the picture you want to use, click it, then click where it says Open. The picture of the product will then appear below the description. Step 6. If you would like to add more photos, click +9 photos and repeat the previous step. Once you are happy with your pictures, click Next. Step 7. After clicking Next, it will bring you to a new page. Go ahead and click the green square with the store icon to confirm that we are selling something on Facebook Marketplace. Step 8. After confirming that you are selling on Facebook Marketplace, click Publish. A new page will appear informing you that Facebook will review your post to make sure it does not break any of their community guidelines. If it does not break any of their community guidelines, it will then be made public. Congrats, you're finished. If you found this video to be helpful, click the thumbs up icon below and let me know what you thought. And if you think you might know someone who could be helped by this video or the Tech Tips for Boomers channel, then click the arrow button or the share button down below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.